and welcome in today's new video. Today I'm sharing a yummy recipe. It's actually my mom's spring rolls recipe with curry and ground beef. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mr. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner. All the recipe that I share here on my YouTube channel is to help people build mass, lose body fat, and of course feel energized. So please guys, don't forget to check the description box below. Everything that I'll be using on this video will be on the description box below. I also get my ebooks, coaching programs, and also my free guide to help people build a healthy plate. So let's start with this video. So of course I'm starting by chopping half of an onion. I cut it thinly, and then I heat up my iron pan. I put my onions and then add 4 to 5 ounces of ground beef. Then I mix everything well to combine. I didn't use any kind of fat since my ground beef is 85/15. Then I add my seasoning. I'm adding some onions, curry powder, cayenne pepper, optional, pepper, and then I mix everything well to combine. You can use any kind of spice you want. You can remove the cayenne pepper if it's too spicy for you, but please, the curry, it's the most important things in this recipe, so don't forget to add at least 1 teaspoon of curry. So once my ground beef is fully cooked, I put it into a bowl. Then I will now cut my veggies. So I just cut my carrots into like fries shapes, just as you see, and then I just put it into a different plate. Now it's time to cut my cucumber. I'm using a Persian cucumber, and I cut it just the way that I cut my carrots, so just as you see in the video. I will need some mixed greens, so that's just a bag with few mix of veggies, and then of course I'm adding some mint. So mint is really important in this recipe, really give a different flavor. So now it's time to make the sauce. So I had 2 spoons of yogurt, 2 spoons of coconut aminos, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Of course, please guys, don't forget the curry for this recipe. It really changed the game. The curry is the main spice that you need for this recipe. So I mix everything well to combine, and now I add salt and pepper just for taste, and I'm gonna mix everything well again. And here's the texture for our dipping sauce. So now is the tricky part. It's time to roll our spring rolls. So I'm taking some rice paper, and I'm just gonna submerge the rice paper with warm water until the paper is getting soft. So once the paper is soft, I put it into a plate, and it's gonna be time to garnish. So I start with the mixed greens, the mixed lettuce, and then I add my veggies. So I'm adding my cucumbers, then I'm adding my carrots. Now I'm adding the meat that I cook at the beginning of this video, and then I'm gonna top everything with few leaves of mint. So please guys, don't forget the mint for this recipe. It's just so important. And now it's time to roll. I'm not the best of rolling them, but I'm trying my best. So I start to take like the side front of me. I roll one more time, and then I'm gonna roll both of the edges, and then when I get both of the edges, I just roll up everything together. And here is come like a big burrito. And now it's time to cut it in half. So I put in my cardboard and then I cut in half, and this is how it looks like from the inside. And I'm gonna do the same with the rest of the veggies mint. I will do the same, and then I take a plate, I put my sauce in a small bowl in the middle, and I just dress everything together around the bowl for like a nice presentation. And it's optional, but I add some black sesame seed in the middle, and here is the final results. I hope you guys did like this recipe. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's my mom's favorite recipe. So it's like ground beef and curry in the spring rolls. It's high in protein, it's really good, it's satiating. You can make it as a snack, for lunch, or just an appetizer to share with your friend or family. So everything will be on the description box below, all the recipes. This recipe is for one service, so if you want to make more, you just have to double the amount of the meat and the veggies you will be using. I only use 4 rice paper, so as I say, if you want more, you have to increase the number of rice paper you will be using. I hope you guys did like the video. That recipe, you will make it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything on the description box below, and I hope to see you guys again for the next recipe. Bye.